Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna keep making on our Rocket League game, or our Boat League game to be a bit more precise. So, yeah, in this tutorial we're gonna see if we can make it so we can customize the boats, give them a different color. For this tutorial we're gonna make it simple, just changing the colors and stuff, but yeah, I guess we'll get started then. Alright, so let's get started. So open up Roblox Studio. So I've made quite a few changes. I've added a new ball, made a sprint script, and so yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna try and make it so you can customize the boat. So we'll we'll try and make a room. So make like a little for this tutorial I'm gonna make a little dock, and so basically the boat's gonna sit over here, and so you can customize it. Uh, uh, Glass, and so we'll just set it over here. And so we'll just put it over here. Right then. Add in your docks. We'll add in this dock over here. And so let's get the starter character. Bring it over here. And so let's see if we can make this work. So it looks like we need to make. So basically I wanted to float on the water, so I've made the humanoid root part a bit bigger. But if we try it out, you can see it's kind of not working. So we'll we'll get the dock, and so we're going to set the collision group to uncollidable. And so now if we run it, it'll just go through like that. So to prevent this is I'm going to raise the wall. I'm going to duplicate the water and set it up just a teeny bit higher. Keep doing this until you have a perfect position, like this. Oh, whoops. So we'll just move it down a notch then. Now if we try it out, let's see. And it sits perfectly on there. So now we're going to let's see if we can find our camera. So now that we've got our camera, we're going to start. So let's just play, just to see. Yep, and it should be working. We'll just make the walls a bit higher, and then we'll get started on the actual scripting. So basically what we want to do is we want to make it so you can customize your own boat. So oh so now we'll go into your screen GUI, duplicate your button, and so we'll call it shop. Actually we'll do customize, and so we'll just rename it to customize boat. So now you'll be able to customize your boat. We haven't scripted what if you're able to customize your boat yet. So we're gonna do that now. So we'll uh, so get your starter character and put him over here. So now so for now we're going to get the position. You'll So now we're gonna make it. We'll do boat TP. Boat TP. Now we'll just remove the world. Boat TP. So now we're gonna anchor it, but make it uncollidable. Go into your local script, which should be over here. And so we're just gonna do something a bit sneaky, and do shop dot. So so then we'll do local player equals game dot players dot local player, and so then we can do player dot character dot humanoid root part dot c frame equals game dot workspace dot bot tp dot c frame. Now we'll try it out then. Customize boat. Oh, whoops. I forgot. We need to put start a character and start a player. Let's try it out now. So now your boat should appear. Ew. So if we click customize boat, and there we go. Oh. Now we're gonna make the camera move from there to this, just for customization. So if you don't know how to make a if you don't know about cameras and stuff, I recommend you watch my tutorials on how to do tweening servers. So uh, we'll position it over here, and so it will be over here, and we'll call it boat custom cam. I don't know. You can name it whatever you want, but we're gonna call it boat custom cam. And so let's see. Local tween equals local tween service equals game dot game get service tween service. So then we'll do tween service dot create camera, and so then we'll do just camera tween info dot new enum dot easing style dot sign 1.5. Then we'll do enum dot easing direction dot in, and so then we'll do c frame equals game dot workspace dot boat custom cam dot c frame. Then we'll do tween play. So now it should work. We'll see. Customize boat. And there we go. It did work. So we'll just make this 0. And so now we're gonna actually make the customization menu. So we're gonna make so I wanna make it so you can put on different skins for your boat. So we're gonna just put in a scrolling frame. We'll call it custom. So for now we're gonna make. Actually, we'll make a new screen GUI and call it custom GUI. Customize. Customize. So we'll just make this unenabled for now. And so let's try it. So we'll move it over here. And just to make sure it fits on all devices. Alright. So now that it's working, let's make it red. Put a bit of color. So now we're going to put it in maybe like UI grid layout. And so then we're gonna do text. And so we'll see. Let's see. So now we'll do we'll make this 200. Actually, no, 400. And so we're gonna call this whoops. Let's just adjust that to 20. Alright, so now we're going to scale the text. Oswald it, because Oswald's a good one. And so we'll make it this color. And so maybe we'll do like pink. Oh wait, we need to make this a text button. And sorry guys. So we'll call this as pink pinky boat pink boat. And so we'll just so now all you have to do is just give it some good looks. And we're going to script it. So just click local script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click connect function. And so what we're going to do is we're going to change the skin. So we'll do local player equals game dot players dot local player dot character find first child boat. So remember, inside a character we have a boat dot brick equals enum dot instance dot new brick color equals brick color dot new. Maybe we'll make it pink, carnation pink. Let's just test it out. And if we click this, if we look in, oops, let's see. Alright, so, we're just gonna, unenable it for now. And so we need to make, and so we'll do script.parent.screen GUI dot enabled equals false. And so we'll do customize. And so we'll set it to true. Let's actually play this. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to make this enabled. Oh. So now let's actually play. Alright. Alright, so if we click customize boat, pink boat. There we go. You could even make it so that there could be flags on it. For example, we could make, let's say, you could put a flag on it. So we'll make it so you can put a flag on it. Or beak. So I'm gonna make feathers on it. We'll just get this macaw thing up. And so we'll make it so you can put it on the. We'll make it so you can put it on the end. So we'll do that. So uh, uh, so we'll just pop it over here, pop it over here. And there we go. So I want to make it so there's a bird on the end of the boat. Alright. So we'll just set the transparency to 0. Wait, actually we'll set it to 0. We'll call it macaw. So we're gonna enable it. So you can make lots of things with it. If you wanted to change the material though, you can do that. Do player. We can do player dot character dot material equals enum dot material dot. We could probably do maybe pebble, and it would still probably work. Whoops, I forgot. We need to put this in our starter player. Oh, before we test. So, also, if we get to 100 subscribers, I will make Boat League uncopy locked. So you'll be able to do anything you want with it. It's if you want that, tell your friends about my channel, subscribe. If we get to 100, you'll be able to use an uncopy locked game of Boat League. So the source code will be open, and I'll make a video about it. But anyway, we'll call this one un macaws is, and so we'll make this, and so we'll just use this and pop it in there. Dot wood planks dot really red local macaw equals game dot replicate storage dot macaw clone macaw dot parent equal. And so we'll put it, and so gets the starter character out again. And so we're gonna, and so get out your macaw. This, wow, this is a really long tutorial. So set it to 0, and so call it pet pause. And so we'll make it well together. And there, it should work like normal. So now all you have to do is, so now we're gonna make it so the macaw goes inside the thing player dot character dot dot pet pause. Macaw dot name equals pet, and so we'll do macaw dot cframe equals dot cframe. Well, let's try it out. So now macaw sees. Oops, looks like there's an error. So, let's see. Let's see what the problem is. So where is the macaw? So the macaw's oh, so we need to instance dot new weld local weld. So we'll do local weld equal, and so then we'll just do weld dot parent equals macaw weld dot part 0 equals macaw weld dot part 1 equals macaw dot parent, and so and so we'll make it can collide, so you can collide with it, and we'll see if the pet works. Yes, it does. So, yeah, the only thing left to do now is to make a back button. So you can go back. And so we'll name it, and so we'll enable it. And so we'll we'll make the button called, and so we'll change the button to back. Back. And so now we'll click this. It'll be the exact same thing except on the customize. So just edit it a bit. Game.workspace dots spawn location dot c frame, and yeah, you and so we'll set it to u cam, and so it'll just tween equals false, and so we'll set this to true. So now we'll see what happens. McCoursees back. Play. And as you can see, we have the new skin. That's pretty cool. So, uh, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. We're gonna make this game uncopy locked and so able for you to make any kind of game. A Rocket League game, even maybe a plane league. I wonder how that will work. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll hope to see you in the next episode, if there is another episode of Boat League. Anyway, bye!